Hello children, this is video 2 of chapter 2, numbers up to 10,000. Let's continue this chapter. Today's topic is successor of a number. SUCCESSOR. Successor means next number. It means one more than the number. For example, the successor of 19 is 20. How 20 comes? 19 plus 1 is 20. The successor of 858 is 859. So, successor comes by adding 1 to the given number. Next is predecessor of a number. PREDECESSOR. Predecessor. The number that comes just before is called its predecessor. P for predecessor, P for previous number. Our predecessor or previous number is 1 less than the number. So predecessor comes by subtracting 1 to the given number. For example, the predecessor of 86 is 85. 86 minus 1 is 85. The predecessor of 860 is 859. 860 minus 1 is 859. It should be noted that 0 has no predecessor. Now, let us solve some questions of exercise 3. Question number 3. Write the face value and the place value of 6 in 9576. Face value. The face value of 6 is 6 because the face value always remains same. The place value of 6 is equal to 6 comes under 1's place. So 6 ones are 6. The place value of 6 is equal to 6. Then 8th question. Find the difference between the place value and the face value of digit 2 in 6293. First, the place value. The place value of 2 is equal to, as 2 is under 100th place, so the place value of 2 is equal to 200. After 2 you have 2 zeros, 2 number of digit 2. So write 2 zeros after 2. So the place value of 2 is equal to 200. And the face value of 2, face value always remains same. So it is 2. And difference means subtraction. So difference is equal to 200 minus 2. Answer will be 198. Then question number 8. Find the difference between the place values of 2 5s in 7505. In this question you have 2 5s. So you have to find out the place value of 2 5s. The place value of first 5. After 5 you have 2 digits. So write 2 zeros after 5. The place value of first 5 is 500. The place value of second 5. You have no digit after second 5. So write only 5. And the difference is you have to do subtraction. You can't subtract 5 from 0. So borrow it from 5. It becomes 10. 10 minus 5, 5. And another 0 becomes 9 and 5 becomes 4. 9 and 4. So answer is 495. Next is question 12. Write the place value of each digit in 4126. 4126. Look at this. 6 comes under ones place. So 6 ones are 6. 2 under tens place. So 2 tens or 2 tens are 20. 1 under hundreds place. So 1 into 100, 100. And then 4 under thousand place. So 4 thousands or 4,000. Then question number 19. Counting by twos. Write the numerals from 7587 to 7601. Students, counting by twos means you have to add 2. You have to do the next number by adding 2. So numerals from 7587. So your first number must be 7587. Next number comes by adding 2, that is 7589. Then again by adding 2 it is 7591. Again add 2, it is 7593. And then 7595. And then by adding 2 it is 7597. Then 7599. And the last, by adding 2 you have 7601. Question number 22, A part. Counting by thousands. Write 5 numerals from 2578 onwards. Counting by thousands means, students, you must add thousands. By adding 1000, write 5 numerals. But starting numeral is from 2578. So first numeral 2578. By adding 1000, answer will be 3578. This is second one. And third one, by adding 1000, answer is 4578. And the fourth one is 5578. And the last one comes by adding 1000. Answer is 6578. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numerals. These numerals comes by adding thousands to the given number. That's all, students. Now note down maths homework. Do question number 1, 6, 7, 9, 11 and question number 14, 15, 17, 18 parts B, D, F and H, and question number 19, 20, 21 A and C parts. Do it in your notebook. Have a lovely day, students.